Hello guys, welcome again to another BTC Daily Update. I hope you are doing great today. In today's BTC Daily Update, as usual, we will be analyzing the daily time frame, the 4-hour time frame, and the 1-hour time frame for BTC. So stick around to the end of the video because it will get very informational. And as always, like, share, and subscribe. It means a lot if you can help the channel grow. With that being said, let's jump straight into the charts and just straight to what's happening with BTC. Actually, today's update is going to be pretty boring in my personal opinion because nothing has really changed. But I'm gonna check the charts just quickly, just to skim through them to see if anything pops up. This is the first time I see them, by the way. But yeah, so I'm gonna start with the daily first, as always. On the daily time frame, as I told you yesterday, I still believe that we're not at a point of time where we're gonna go to 44k or 40k or 48 or 47 or whatever. I think it's I think we are at the point of time where we're probably going to go retest that key heart line of the channel that we have here. And if you remember, that area that I told you yesterday was this area here. So anything between 62.2 and 60.2, that area is my main target area for the daily time frame. And remember that the daily time frame translates to at least 5 days and maximum around 10 days. So we still have I think as per the daily, I think we still have 7 days to reach that target area, and we're pretty close to it. So I still believe this is the case on the daily, at least. But just remember that this can happen, and that's what we don't want. Obviously, we want breakout candles when that daily time frame finalizes it. Bullishness, we should be around here if we're really bullish on the daily, because the daily indicators right now are telling us that we're gonna go up. So if we are really bullish, then most likely we're going to break this area and we're going to go to the top of the channel. Unfortunately, I don't see that's the case personally on the daily. You know that already. I think we're going to chop, and the chop is going to be very uncomfortable for the altcoins at least. So daily time frame, no change in my personal opinion. Still, we are still potentially heading to that 62k region, and we need to study the reaction there. Bearish reaction similar to this, most likely we chop and we go to the bottom of the channel once more. Bullish reaction, and most likely we go to the top of the channel. Okay, just keep in mind that the top of the channel right now is not going to be the same as before, so I don't see 70k happening anytime soon. Okay, maximum I think 66 to 67, and that's it. But let's wait and see. If the bullish case scenario happens, this is what I predict. 4-hour time frame, as per yesterday's BTC update, is still the same. I still think that we are going down, we're not going up. We had a stop hunt here, double top formation here. I would call this a manipulated move more than anything else. I still think that we are in a channel formation. If you remember yesterday, I drew for you a nice channel formation. So we are in a type of channel that looks like this, and we are basically trending. Now it could be a 100% channel, or it could be a type of wedge formation. Regardless, we are still there, and I still think and I still believe that most likely we're going to be probably heading towards this trend line right here that I'm showing you right now on the 4-hour at least. So as you are well aware now, 4-hour means 24 to 48 hours. So I think this is where potentially we were heading. All right, so around 56k. But yeah, after we reach that area, we analyze again. We see, we have a double top formation. There's still no neckline break, so we need a break below 57.4 with a candle close there. I think 4-hour candle close is more than enough, and that will signal, at least reaching this trend line right here on the 4-hour. 1-hour time frame, which obviously translates to the next 6 to 12 hours. Again, it's very hard to analyze all of these one by one, but I think also the 1-hour time frame is heading towards that 56k region. All right, and that is it, guys. That is it for today's daily update. There's nothing to really say too much or to add to the previous updates. If anything happens or we have an exciting move, I'll be the first one to tell you guys. But as of now, to just summarize, daily uptrend, daily time frame, I think most likely we're heading towards that 60k region, 60 to 62. We see the reaction there. Personally, I think it's going to be a bearish reaction, but we'll have to wait and see. 4-hour time frame, I think we are in a retracement mode, so 24 to 48 hours, I think we are going down, not up, most likely towards the 56k region, and then hopefully you find support there. And then the 1 hour time frame, I also believe that we're gonna probably go down towards that 56K area. As I said, very boring chop. If you're a long time holder or an investor, this chop on the daily is of no use to you. It's really irrelevant. Like I told you guys, we really need a break above the weekly EMAs. That's what's important. So what's important is going to be next Monday, the update that is going to be released after the weekly candle close. That's going to be very important. Unfortunately, like I told you guys earlier, I don't think that we're going to pop above the weekly EMAs. The weekly EMAs are right now sitting at 61.43. I don't see us popping above the 60. I don't see us reaching here this week. So I don't see us reaching this the 60 to 62K region this week. And I don't see it. I don't see us reaching it soon. Basically, maybe next week or the week after. That will give the daily time frame, 7 to 10 days to finalize. But I hope I'm wrong. And I hope we break above the daily EMAs and we get a nice engulfing bullish candle here on the weekly time frame, which will signal more upside, etc., etc., etc. But yeah, I'll keep you updated, guys, if I see anything that's happening in the charts. And that is it for today's BTC Daily update. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, like, share, and subscribe. It means a lot to the channel. And I will see you again next time. Bye-bye, guys.